So, am I audible to you all? Am I audible or not audible? Tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me whether I am audible to you or not.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Sunny, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो भाई? Yes, ma'am. Today we will read narration. What are the rules of narration that we will see? And I will give you so many examples. Not rules. We can come to the rules afterwards. First, we will see the examples. Only 9 students are there. Which lesson is there in that first flight? Today we did first flight or that footprints without feet in the class? You don't want to speak anything, है ना? कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाहते हो. Okay, as you wish. In narration, we will see statements, commands, requests, and questions. I know you have some idea about this from class 9, but the rules are same, the changes are same, but once again I want you to refresh it. So let's see. The words spoken by a person can be reported in 2 ways, either direct speech or indirect. When we quote the exact words of a speaker or a person, we call it direct speech. What is direct speech? When we write the spoken words of a person, it is called direct speech. And so it is inverted commas are used in that. But in indirect, we will not use inverted commas because they were the not actual words of a speaker. The speaker had already spoken, and after that, somebody else is reporting those words to someone. Suppose I say, Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. Bhaskar,
Yes, ma'am.
wear a t-shirt at least. एक t-shirt तो पहन लो. It's good
Yes,
that you have opened the video. It's very good, but wear something. Now we will see reporting clauses and reporter. Write a sentence in your notebook. Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. Sohan said to Mohan, comma, in inverted comma, you will write, I am going to school. In this sentence, you will see that the exact words of a speaker is already within inverted commas. But when we give the substance of what Sohan said, it is called the indirect speech. अब इसको indirect में कैसे बदलेंगे बताओ, कोई बताए? Anyone can try? Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. Change this sentence into indirect speech. Yes, Rohit, you have unmuted yourself. You want to say something?
Sohan told Mohan that he was going to school.
Sohan told Mohan that he was going to school. Very good. Now, in this sentence, we saw that reporting clause and reported speech. Sohan told Mohan is reporting clause, yani reporting work. And what is reported speech? The words of the speaker. So reported speech के tense में change होंगे, but there will be no change in the tense of reporting verb. If it is in past tense, it will be always in past tense. Yes, Sunny, I know you understood. So the words which generally come before the inverted commas are called the reporting clause or reporting verb, like Sohan said to Mohan, and the verb said is called the reporting verb. The words spoken by Sohan and put within inverted commas are called the reported speech. That is, I am going to school. यानी reported comma के पहले वाला जो part है, जहां पे comma तुम लगाते हो, that is known as reporting clauses. और उसमें said या tells जो भी रहेगा, told जो भी रहता है, that is known as reporting verb. But जो inverted comma के अंदर होता है, that is known as reported speech. In the indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. When we will change a sentence, direct speech sentence into indirect, commas, inverted commas will be removed. And that will be used to connect those reporting verb with reporting clause, reported speech. The conjunction that, if or whether will be used in which one? Tell me. बताओ, if और whether का use हम कहाँ करते हैं? किस type of sentence को indirect बनाने में? बोलो
Question
रोहित.
type.
हाँ, तो उसको कौन सा tense कहते हैं? How many types of tenses are there?
3 types.
3 types? 4 types. स्टेटमेंट में ही दोनों आ जाते हैं, अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव, असर्टिव, ऑप्टेटिव, जो भी है वो सब स्टेटमेंट में ही आता है. देन imperative which deals with, what is imperative sentence? What is an imperative sentence? Tell me the definition. Not definition, you just tell me that what the sentence deals with, and you can give one example for that. Try it. Whether you are right or wrong, that doesn't matter, but at least you should try. Sunny, you want to say something?
Ma'am, don't go there.
Unable to
And
listen.
maybe
You said?
order, warning, or a request.
Yes. The sentence which deals with orders, commands, and requests are known as imperative sentence. Suggestions are also there. Advice are also there. Advices are also there. So these sentences are known as imperative. Then interrogative, which ends with question mark and it asks or inquires something from you. Those sentences are known as interrogative. Then exclamatory sentence, which shows sudden emotion of a person. मान लो अगर मेरे पैर में चोट लग गई तो मैं क्या कहूंगी? ओह, I hurt my leg. अगर मैं कहीं बहुत बड़ी ट्रॉफी जीत लेती हूँ तो मैं क्या कहूंगी? Hooray, I have won the match. So these are showing the sudden emotion of a person. These sentences deals with those. We will see one by one. First, we will see statements only. Afterwards, we will see the interrogative sentences. Tomorrow in the class, I will tell you interrogative sentences. So for changing a simple sentence, what precautions or what should be taken care in our mind? That we will see today. बात समझ में आ रही सभी को? मैंने अभी तक जो भी बोला समझ में आ रही बात? बोलो यस और नो.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is answering. You people are क्लास में दिन भर
Ma'am,
चपर
can you
चपर
repeat?
करते हो.
Voice was not
यहाँ-
coming.
हाँ बोलो रोहित.
मैम वॉइस नहीं आ रहा था, एक बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दीजिए.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि मैं जो बोल रही हूँ all of you are able to understand it or not? समझ में
ma'am.
आए? हाँ बोलो.
मैम समझ में आ रहा है.
अच्छा तुम ही बोलो. बोलो यस.
मैम समझ आ रहा है.
हाँ बेटा. Okay. The first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. कभी भी नहीं. और आगे मैं बताऊंगी कि if the reporting verb is in simple present or simple future, then there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Now tell me, you must be aware of these things. कहाँ पे tense नहीं बदलता है, किन किन situations में? First I told you that if the reporting verb is in simple present or simple future, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. और तुम क्या जानते हो बताओ मुझे, so that I would move accordingly.
मैम फ्यूचर में भी नहीं बदलता है.
फ्यूचर में भी नहीं बदलता है. यस. और कहाँ नहीं बदलता है? When we are dealing with universal truth, suppose I say the teacher said the earth revolves around the sun. कैसे चेंज करोगे? It has joined today. How to change this sentence? The earth revolves around the sun.
मैम नो चेंज, दिस इज यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ.
What I am saying, that's what I am asking from that time. When there is universal truth, then there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. और कहाँ नहीं बदलता है? When we are talking about proverbs, suppose I say honesty is the best policy. इसमें भी नहीं बदलेगा because it is proverb, it is saying, and so it will be as it is. In the indirect speech, no inverted commas are there. ये तो हो गया, ये तो बता दिया मैंने. The reporting verb changes according to sense. It may be told, asked, or inquired. Inquired वहां होगा, asked वहां होगा where it is asking something from you, where it wants to take some information from you. अब change of pronouns के बारे में क्या जानते हो? How we will change the pronouns? जैसे हम लोग he यूज करते हैं. अभी तुमने कहा he was going to school, तो हमने he कैसे चेंज कर दिया बताओ? See, till the time you are active speakers, you will not be able to learn or read grammar. ये कहानी नहीं ना है कि मैं बोलती रहूं, सुनाती रहूं और तुम लोग चुपचाप सुनते रहो. This is grammar and there should be an interaction way of understanding. तो अगर तुम बोलोगे ही नहीं तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आएगा कहाँ पे नहीं समझ पा रहे हो. बोलो रोहित.
मैम आई का ही में हो जाता है अगर कोई बोल रहा है.
आई का हिज हो जाएगा? नहीं.
मैम ही.
हाँ. Listen. We will change it according to the rule of SON. First person according to subject. अगर सब्जेक्ट लड़का है तो ही हो जाएगा, अगर लड़की है तो शी रहेगा. And second person according to object. And in third person, no change.
No change.
I will explain it more. the first person pronouns like I, me, my, we, us, or our in the reported speech change according to the subject of reporting verb. The pronouns of second person, you, your, yourself in the reported speech change according to the object of reporting verb. And in the pronouns of the third person do not change. For example, write few sentences and then you will say, he said, comma, in inverted comma, I like the book. He said, I like the book. He said, he likes the book. He said, he likes the book. Mohan said, I am unwell. I am unwell. Unwell means ill. Now tell me how you have changed it.
Mohan told that he was unwell.
Listen. Told will be used when there is an object. Here no object is there. So in spite of using told, you can write said only. Said will be used only. फिर से बनाओ. Mohan said he was. Nahi. Again, Swastik, you have done a big mistake. See the sentence again and then tell me. You are changing it into indirect. Just now I told you. फिर से देखो, कोशिश तो करो. Rather than Rohit and Swastik, और भी कोई कोशिश कर सकता है. Utkarsh is there. Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो ना, इसको चेंज करो. Mohan said, comma, in inverted comma you will write, I am unwell.
Ma'am, Mohan said he was unwell.
Again you are wrong. The same mistake you are doing which Swastik has done. Think it first. Anybody else can try? Rohit. Mohan said that. Again, you have done a big mistake. One part you have taken, but another part you have left. तुम लोगों को स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं आ रहा है, क्वेश्चन वाला कैसे बनाओगे भाई? Listen to me very carefully. What I told you just now. See, when we will change a sentence or a statement into indirect, we will write the reporting verb. There will be no change in the tense of reporting verb or reporting clauses. But in अभी लिखा है क्षितिज ने, Mohan said that he was unwell. Very good, क्षितिज. अब इस सेंटेंस को देखो. Mohan said that he was unwell. तुमने he is लिखा था रोहित, और स्वास्तिक ने that को ही छोड़ दिया, which work as a connector. तो that को अगर छोड़ दोगे तो कनेक्टर ही खत्म हो जाएगा. Shakshi has also joined. What is the next sentence? Two sentences I have given you. What is the another one?
He said, I like book.
He said,
I like to read book.
I like to. फिर से बोलो, repeat the sentence, Rohit. I am unable to listen you.
He said, I like to read book.
He said, I like to read books. How to change this sentence? चलो बनाओ. Change करके मुझे बताओ. जल्दी. Don't waste time. Yes.
He said that he likes to read. He likes to read book.
फिर गड़बड़ है रोहित. Think it first. See, he said,
Liked.
I like to read books. He said that. Anybody wants to try or I should tell the answer? और कोई आंसर देना चाहेगा? क्षितिज है, स्वास्तिक, सन्नी, सोनाली, कोई भी बोलो, आंसर बोलो तो. He said that he liked to read books. No. See, just now I told कि अगर वो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है, सिंपल पास्ट में, तो देयर विल बी चेंज इन द टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. तुमने रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं किया. नो. हाँ, he said that. टोल्ड नहीं लगाएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. उत्कर्ष, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. He said that he liked to read books. समझ में आई बात? Write few more sentences because I think you people are lacking here only. Write something else more. Satish said. Satish said, comma, in inverted comma, I am flying a kite. I am flying a kite. ठीक है. Satish said that he was flying a kite. Very good, Swastik and Rohit both. So now you have known how to change into indirect simple sentences. I will give you some more, and tomorrow at the school I will check it also. It's 10 minutes more is there. I will be able to take your class only for 5 minutes because at sharp 1 o'clock, I have my own period in class 9th B. So I had to switch it off 5 minutes earlier, but don't worry till the time I'm here to talk to you. So here, write one more. He said, he said, I like sweets. Seema said, I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. See, grammar is for practice only. As you practice, so you will get the mastery over the subject or mastery over the skill. Grammar is also a skill like math. If you are right, you will get full marks. If you are not. He said that he liked sweets. Seema said that she was writing a letter. This is okay now. But what about others? Now Rohit and Swastik will not give any answer, which I am going to ask. Arpit, he said that he liked sweets. Seema said wrong. See the next sentence. Arpit, good try. Very good. You have tried at least. But see the another second sentence. What you have written.
मैम
उसमें that को छोड़ दिया.
मैम छोड़ गया मैम.
Okay, it's good. Now, is there any problem? Bhaskar, I am asking to you. Bhaskar, can you hear me?
Yes.
सुन रहे हो. Okay. Now, Write a sentence and change it into indirect. He said, I have done my homework. He said, I have done my homework. Sunny, there is wrong. I like sweets में wrong है, फिर से देखो उसको. He said, I have done my homework. How to change this sentence into indirect? Bhaskar, Sonali, कोमल, आदर्श आनंद, आदित्य सिंह, इतने बच्चों में से कोई भी इसका आंसर दे. हाँ, गुड. यस, इट्स ओके. उत्कर्ष, यू आर राइट. जल्दी से इसको क्लियर करोगे तभी आगे बढ़ूंगी मैं, नहीं तो मैं 2 दिन 3 दिन 5 दिन तक यही पढ़ाती रहूंगी. सो डोंट थिंक कि हम लोग जल्दी भाग जाएंगे. ओके, चलो बोलो, आंसर दो. Bhaskar, are you knowing the answer of this question or not? Adarsh, Anand, Tendi. हाँ, भास्कर बोलो.
He said, I have done.
You can write it in the chat box. If your chat box is in proper order, you can write the sentence in the chat box and send it to me. क्योंकि तुम्हारी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. नहीं समझे? नहीं आ रहा है बनाने? Adarsh, Anand, do you have any idea how to change? कोमल, भारती, सोनाली भाग गई. जैसे ही मैंने उसका नाम लिया वो भाग ही गई. कल मैं पूछती हूँ, कल फिर पूछूंगी यही चीज. कल मैं नरेशन ही पढ़ाऊंगी क्लास में भी.
मैम कल छुट्टी है ना.
अच्छा, इसीलिए तुम लोग इत्मीनान से. कोमल भारती ने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं सुना. He said, I am writing a letter. What I had told you, I forgot. He said, I have done my homework. हाँ, कल छुट्टी है, सॉरी. कल एग्जाम है 10th का, छुट्टी होगी. He said, I have done my homework. सब धीरे धीरे भागने लगते हैं जब क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, तो क्यों? He told that he had done his homework. Not told. He said that he had done his homework. Yes, Bhaskar, you are right. What about others? Others. Can you hear me, others? मेरी बात सुनाई दे रही है? नहीं, किसी को सुनाई ही नहीं दे रही है. आदर्श, आनंद, ये नहीं बोलेगा, छोड़ दो इसको. कल मैं इसे स्कूल में परसों जब भी मिलेगा ना, सोच रहा है कि मैम का तो अब पीरियड नहीं है फ्राइडे सैटरडे को, लेकिन मैं आके तुमसे स्पेशल मिलूंगी, घबराओ मत. आदर्श, आनंद, तुम्हें मेरी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही है ना? डोंट वरी. कोमल भारती, यू गॉट द क्वेश्चन बट यू हैवंट रिटन एनी आंसर. क्षितिज ने एक आंसर दिया था, साक्षी भी कुछ नहीं, आंसर देना ही नहीं है. अरे 10-11 बच्चे हो, 10 ही बच्चे हो. Why don't you try to learn? नहीं. What you have written, I haven't heard and I haven't seen also. क्या बोला? Read it. What you have written, Komal. Read it. He said that he had done his homework. Very good, Arpit. Good. So I have only 3 minutes time because at sharp 1 I have to conduct the another class. So for today is only this much, and your homework is write 5 simple sentences, means statement in indirect speech. Clear to you? उसके बाद हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे देखेंगे कि वेयर वी विल यूज where we will change the tense of the reported speech and where we should not. समझ गए? ये फिजिक्स का पीरियड था ना?
मैम
हेलो,
यस मैम
हाँ, तो आज फिजिक्स में इंग्लिश पढ़ लिया तो अच्छा ही हो गया.